Welcome to mechanical tutorial. I am going to teach you different techniques in SolidWorks for mechanical engineers. I am going to train you different modules like surface modeling, sheet metal and enclosure design, product design, plastic components design, reverse engineering and many more tips and tricks in SolidWorks. Hi, today I am going to explain about ball stud clip or receptacle. So left side you can see the assembly, and right side the component in folded state. So this is the assembly. So this component is mostly used for holding the two flats firmly or tightly. So this is the component I am going to create now. So let's start now. So I have taken a new SolidWorks part file. Select the front plane, go to sketch, draw a center line. This is 8 mm. So before dimensioning I am going to mirror this. Select these two lines. So the distance between two lines, two endpoints is 28. So angle is 80. So sketch is fully constrained now. So go to sheet metal, select the base flange. So thickness I am going to take 0.5 and I'm going to select mid plane and depth is 12 mm. See here. Now go to sheet metal and select unfold and select any face on the top and collect all bends and say OK. Now select this face, keep it in normal. Now I am going to create cutout. Select this face, go to sketch. So draw a center line, select the midpoint and mid of two edges. Draw one triangle in this manner. This is a 3 mm. And this is 5. So it is constrained now. Also draw a horizontal line. Select these two midpoints. Go to mirror entities, select this triangle, select this. Similarly, select these two entities, select the mirror and mirror about this vertical line. Now go to sheet metal, select extruded cut, here link to thickness, save. So material has been removed. Now draw one rectangle, so it should connect to other end. This is 3 mm. It's 0.5. And this is 3 mm. So it is constrained now. Draw one center line, go to mirror entities, save here. Go to sheet metal, select extruded cut, we should link to thickness and say OK. See, this is over. Now select this face once again, go to sketch, draw one rectangle, and draw one center line connecting these two midpoints. So we have to make symmetric about this. So select these two lines and this center line and select symmetric constraint. Now dimension this horizontal line, it is 6 mm. Now go to sheet metal, select extruded cut, link to thickness and say OK. See, now go to sheet metal and select fold option, collect all bends, say OK. So now I am going to create this edge flange. So select the edge flange, both the directions, and simply say OK. So we have to remove this edge. Now we have to go to sketch and we have to edit the sketch. Select the outer edge and this line. It is 3 mm. Say OK. So we have to select the other sketch. This is 3. Now once again we have to select unfold, select this face, collect all bends, say OK. Now I am going to create this simple hole. Select this face. So this is a 3.2 and say OK. So now we have to edit this sketch of this hole. Go to center line, select these two midpoints, simply move outward
and select this origin and the center, make it horizontal. Now select the mirror entities, select this circle and center line and say OK, and select these 2 points, 28, say OK. Now select this face again and go to simple hole, and this is 1.6. Simply place it at the center. Select control and move it here, and select these 2 circles and make it equal. Similarly, control and move it, or we can simply draw on circle exactly at the center and select this circle and this circle with control button and make it equal. Even we can do the mirror option. Select this circle and make it equal, and say OK. Now go to sheet metal, select all bands and say OK. See here. So the final component is ready. I'm going to show you the flat pattern. So this is how it looks like. So this is brief about ball stud clip or receptacle. Thanks for watching.